In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage marketing contacts and lists with HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your marketing strategies, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the essentials of managing your contacts effectively. First, we need to start by accessing the trial guide on HubSpot. Open your browser and navigate to app.na2.hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the section titled Trial Guide. Clicking on this will lead you to a comprehensive list of features and tools that HubSpot offers, designed to give you insights on how their CRM works. Next, your attention will go to the CRM section within HubSpot. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is where all the magic happens. By clicking on the CRM option, you enter the space where all your contacts and their details are managed. It's like opening the door to a network of valuable data that can enhance your marketing strategies. Once inside the CRM section, direct yourself to contacts. This is an important step because managing your marketing lists hinges on how well you can navigate and handle contact information. Clicking Contacts will grant you access to the hub of all your connections, every person, lead, and customer associated with your business. When you click on Contacts, you will see several subcategories to manage different types of contacts. Start by clicking on Newsletter Subscribers. This category contains individuals who have shown interest in your content, making them prime candidates for engagement through email marketing campaigns. It's equally important to understand who is no longer actively engaged. By clicking on Unsubscribed, you can view a list of contacts who have opted out of your communications. Knowing who your unsubscribed contacts are helps in maintaining an accurate database and can guide you in refining your future marketing efforts to better retain subscribers. Next, you'll want to click on All Customers. This is a comprehensive list of everyone who has done business with you, reflecting both current and past customers. Accessing this list will help you tailor campaigns and maintain customer relationships, ensuring satisfaction and loyalty. Following that, click on Marketing Contacts. This segment encompasses the targeted group essential to your marketing activities. By managing this list effectively, you're able to fine-tune your marketing efforts and ensure that your resources are directed towards leads and customers who are most likely to convert. This guide sets the foundation for effective contact management in HubSpot. Each click is a step towards more organized marketing campaigns and better relationship building with your audience. Be sure to regularly review and update your contact list to keep your marketing efforts sharp and focused. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough valuable.